Want a healthy brunch this weekend? Make avo and eggs on sourdough. Ready in 5 minutes. Eat at leisure. Let's go. 1. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Bring a small pan of water to the boil and add eggs. Time the eggs for 5 minutes. 3. Place tomatoes on the vine on a baking tray and grill. 4. Slice. First, the avocado into halves, mash it with a fork. Second, cut 2 slices of sourdough. 5. Remove eggs from heat and plunge into cold water. 6. Check on tomatoes and remove from grill when charred. 7. Now decorate. Spread avocado onto bread. Add tomatoes and egg after ensuring the eggs are fully peeled. Season to taste. For best results, eat at a leisurely pace. Listen to the radio, scan newspapers, and sip freshly ground coffee. What weekends are made for.